Breaking news, Nigerians. High Court Chief Justice reportedly bars judges from entertaining presidential election cases seeking to stop Tinubu's inauguration. Nigerians. Sahara reporters gathered that the Chief Judge also directed that such cases pending in courts should be transferred to Abuja for review. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. When I was telling Nigerians that if you think there's going to be something different from this case, you just have to drink cold water so that when it happens, you will not have heart attack. You understand? It don't start with this. They don't tell on us, say, you see, now we get the court. Now we get our neck. Now we get what you go feed do? You know that situation now when you keep us in goat, come tell and say, you see, now me kill your goat, what you go feed do? And see the stick when I use. That is the situation Nigerians are right now. My people, the Chief Justice of the Federal High Court, John Tasso, has reportedly barred judges from entertaining cases bordering on the presidential election or the forthcoming swearing-in inauguration ceremony. This is perhaps to ensure that nothing stops the inauguration of the President-elect Bola Tinubu as the next President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Sahara reporters gathered that the Chief Judge also directed that such cases pending in court should be transferred to Abuja for review. A litigant, Mr. Adu Yusuf Rufai, who confirmed the development, told Sahara reporters that he was at the Federal High Court, Enugu, on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, in respect to his lawsuit number FHC/EN/CS/77 between Adu Yusuf Rufai and the Attorney General of the Federation, which seeks the court's interpretation of Section 134 of the Nigerian Constitution. Rufai said a senior court official told him that there was an order from the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria that no judge in Nigeria should hear any suit on presidential election or swearing in. This is a travesty of justice from the judiciary and an abuse of constitutional powers, circulated to kill the substance of my case and dodge May 29. My lawsuit was immediately transferred to Abuja, he said. In a text message sent to Sahara reporters titled Remedial, where there is a law or suit or right, there is the remedy, Rufai said, fellow Nigerians, owing to my complaint of the breach of my fundamental rights and freedoms, and in furtherance or enhancement of my deniable rights for millions of Nigerians, I have approached the Federal High Court for its intervention. And amongst the relief I sought, I asked the Honorable Court to interpret and give a simple understanding and interment of Section 134 of the Nigerian Constitution, which is our grand norm and supreme document in the land. I have also asked the Honorable Court to use its inherent power to stop the swearing in or inaugurating of any purported president on May 29, 2023, not duly elected because of not meeting constitutional requirements or because of violating constitutional provisions and its inviolability in the last presidential election. I have also asked the Honorable Court not to allow all constitutionality or legality of any sort to stand, but to defend the rule of law, uphold our constitution, promote stability, respect our democracy, and render justice to the satisfaction of man and our Creator. Meanwhile, a covering letter of transfer of this case to Abuja dated May 24, 2023 and obtained by Sahara Reporters was addressed to Deputy Chief Registrar, Litigation, Federal High Court, Abuja. It was signed by Deputy Chief Registrar Femi Ohe Esquire, titled Transfer of Case File, suit number FHC/EN/CS/77 between Mr. Adu Yusuf Rufai and the Attorney General of the Federation. The letter reads, pursuant to the circular by his leadership, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, on case bordering on presidential election or the forthcoming swearing-in inauguration ceremony, I have been directed by His Lordship, Honorable Justice M.G. Omar, to forward the above referred case file to you, to your office, for the attention of the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court for further necessary action. In the suit, which commenced by way of originating summons brought pursuant to Order 3 Rules 6, 7, and 9 of the Federal High Court, the Civil Procedure Rules 2019, and under the current justification of the Honorable Court, the applicant, Mr. Adu Yusuf Rufai, formulated one question for the determination of the case of the court, whether Section 134 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, stipulates that whoever wins the presidential election majority vote must, in addition to having not less than 25% vote in each of at least 2/3 of the 36 states of Nigeria, and must win at least 25% of the FCT Abuja votes to emerge the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The applicant further sought the following 5 reliefs: a declaration that Section 134 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, provided for a mandatory win of at least 25% of the FCT Abuja votes before a candidate of any political party in Nigeria must be declared the winner duly elected of a presidential election in Nigeria. In order of interplanetary injunction restraining the federal government of Nigeria, our agents, servants, or privets from organizing, planning, or holding any presidential inauguration or swearing in or handover on the 29th day of May 2023, pending the determination of the presidential election petitions in the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal or at the Supreme Court of Nigeria. And I don't hear answer. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel.